Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Gmail not receiving emails issue on your computer. If your Gmail inbox is not getting new emails, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help solve the problem quickly. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is check your spam folder. Sometimes important emails are automatically moved to spam, which is why they don't appear in your inbox. Here's how to check it. Open your Gmail account. On the left side menu, click on More, then select Spam. Now check if your missing emails are there. If you find them, you can mark them as not spam, so future emails from that sender will go directly to your inbox. Another common reason why Gmail stops receiving emails is full Google storage. To check your storage, click on the Google Apps icon. Open Google Drive. Here, you'll see how much storage is being used in your Google account. If your storage is full, delete unnecessary emails from Gmail. Empty your trash folder. Remove unwanted files from Google Drive, or upgrade your Google storage plan if needed. Once you free up some storage, Gmail should start receiving emails again. Sometimes Gmail filters can automatically hide or redirect incoming emails. To remove filters, go back to Gmail, click on the gear icon in the top right corner, select See All Settings. Open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you'll see all active filters linked to your account. Simply review them one by one and delete any unnecessary filters. This can help restore missing emails to your inbox. If email forwarding is enabled, your emails may be sent to another email account instead of your inbox. To check this, stay in Gmail Settings, open the Forwarding and Pop an IMAP tab. If forwarding is enabled, select Disable Forwarding. This ensures your emails remain in your Gmail inbox. While you're in the same section, make sure IMAP is enabled. Scroll down to the IMAP Access section, select Enable IMAP, then click on Save Changes. This setting helps Gmail sync properly across devices and can solve email receiving issues. So, those are some of the best ways to fix Gmail not receiving emails on Windows 11. I hope one of these solutions helped solve your problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.